In this video, we will solve the linear equation 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. To find the value of x, we need to bring 2x in the left hand side and it will be negative 2x in the left hand side. So we have 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. As 3x minus 2x is x, so we have x is equal to 18 as our final answer. Now we will check our result. We will put x is equal to 18 in the original equation. So we have 3 times 18 is equal to 2 times 18 plus 18. In the left hand side we have 54 and in the right hand side we have 36 plus 18. So we have 54 is equal to 54. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So x is equal to 18 is our final answer and it's verified.